Section 2.4, page 7. We've been talking about drawing tangent lines. We're going to look at now, can a tangent line actually be drawn at a point? And we have 3 different examples here of whether or not tangents can be drawn. If we look at this first example and use this piece of plastic here as a representing tangent lines, you see that everywhere we go around here, this tangent line is moving, and that point of tangency is moving right along that curve. And yes, we can draw a tangent line here. And you can see this piece of plastic moving very gradually through here. So for this case, yes, a tangent line can be drawn at every point. When we look at this one though, initially we see nice and smooth transition as this tangent line moves through here. We run into trouble though right there, because there's the tangent line coming from the left side, and then immediately we need to flip and have the slope be over here and that line go this way, so it could move smoothly along this curve. We run into trouble on this one right here at this point C, because the slopes of tangent lines from the left side do not equal slopes of tangent lines from the right side. And here would be tangent lines from the right side. So we see that those two slopes are not equal to each other. This one negative slope, this one positive slope. So for this case, a tangent line cannot be drawn at x equals c, because slopes of tangents from the left do not equal slopes of tangents from the right. I should say from the right side of C, and left side of C, and over here from the right side of C. To write that out mathematically with symbols, this is a verbal description. This would look like this, because slopes of the tangents is a limit. So coming from the left, it's the limit as h approaches 0 from the left side, f of c plus h minus f of c all over h. That does not equal the limit as h approaches 0 from the right, f of c plus h minus f of c all over h. Looking at this last example down here, if we look at slopes of tangents from the left side of this spot right here, we see from the left side slopes are sitting like that. From the right side of C, those slopes are like this. Oh, look at that. Those two slopes are the same, because these tangent lines, if you will, are parallel. But a tangent line can still not be drawn here at x equals c, because the function's discontinuous. We can't get from this tangent line to this tangent line without picking them up and moving them. So for this situation, a tangent line cannot be drawn at x equals c. Because the function is discontinuous there.